to catch a few of those skipjack today. It's a beautiful afternoon here. Beautiful fall November, first week of November day here. The skipjack and the white bass are probably going to be back in these coves today. I think white bass and skipjack. There again, I'd love to catch some white bass for the table there, and some of those skipjack for the freezer for the catfish. But either way, it's going to be a beautiful afternoon. We should catch something. Feel pretty good about it. So we'll see what happens here. Alrighty, we made it. Beautiful Fort Loudon Lake. Looks beautiful today. A little activity out here. I hope there are some skipjack out here. We're going to find out. I'm basically just going to start throwing the same thing that I threw yesterday. Well, we moved again here. Saw some activity right in through here. A couple of pretty big eruptions there. Look just like a skipjack. Alright folks, well, I just screwed up big time. I had a nice skipjack on. I didn't have the camera turned on and made the mistake of trying to turn the camera on while I was fighting a skipjack. You don't do that. They'll get off. I got him right up to the bank here and was trying to fumble with the camera, and he got off, but he was a nice one, so that's a good sign. We've been out here about 15 minutes, had that good one on, so I'm sure as the afternoon goes on we'll get some here. Yeah, I just got nailed there. Just had a big one hit it, 2 hits in a row right there. Alright. Alright, we're in a little different spot right here. Out on a little point here off of the bank. I saw some skipjack busting right out here. Had a few good hits, so I ran back to the vehicle to get the camera here in case I catch something. Still out here trying. Different little spot here right now. Well, we just had a big one on. That's the second big one we've had on today. It got off. Came up, spit the hook there. Boy, they're hard to get in there, them big ones. If you don't get them hooked good, they're going to spit that hook quickly. Had another one on there, but they're hard to keep on the hook there, I tell you what. I had several good ones on. Oh, there's one right there. There's one if I can keep him on. Oh, it's a good one. Gotta keep him on here. Here he comes. He's going to probably get off. At least I got the camera going. Here he is. Oh, that's a
good one right there, son. That's a good one. See if we can get him here. Got him. All right. Finally got him. Let me rinse him off a little bit there and get some of that dirt off of him and make him a little more presentable here. I hope I don't lose him doing this right here. There he is. Alright. First one of the day. I've had several on today. Nice ones like this. One just got off. And then this one right here. One earlier today. I've had 3 or 4 on. Get them right up to the bank and they get off. 2 or 3. That's some real good hits. About to lose him if I ain't careful. Let me put him back over here out of the way. See if we can get another one while they're in here.